Do you have a headphone and a smartphone and a laptop and internet and a PayPal account, which is free to create? If you have all five of those things, you can make $60 per hour. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the site that you can make $60 per hour using your internet and your smartphone and your laptop. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel. I upload money making, motivation, story, life change, get you everything you need to know about being successful in your life. And this channel is like my level in entrepreneurship. I don't make thousands of dollars. I don't make millions of dollars. I don't make courses. I just like you guys, I'm in the struggling stage, so I record my progress so you can follow my steps and make money online. So me and you all together grow together. That's my mantra, if you want to say, because I want to give the knowledge I earn for free, not for money. So let's be on the side. Please subscribe, share, and like. If you like my video, YouTube can put my video, suggest my video to others. If you don't, I can't. The video won't go viral. I don't need to go viral. Just if you like video, please subscribe and like my video. So the website I'm going to talk about is called Usertesting. Usertesting is a website that allows you to test an web application such as mobile app or website. Then you need to give your honest opinion and they will pay you for each opinion. Some of the review pay you $10, some of them pay you $60, some of them pay you $100. It depends on the job. Every single hours they tell you that the job is 4 hours, but you can complete that review within 30 to 20 minutes, so you can complete more of those tests. So when you go to these sites, first you have to do is register for it. Then you need to do a small test. The test is they allow you to test at a website, so they can see how you testing a website, how you performing, how you talk, how you reviewing the site. Then they will give one job by one. But you have to remember this, guys. You need to give honest opinion. Plus, you need to speak clearly. So for one of my jobs, I can't speak that properly. So some of the job I rejected. Some of them they are not paying either. But if you can speak properly and clearly to the mic, so they can understand it. When they do understand it, they don't care about your reviews. You give bad or good, they don't care about. They need honest opinions. Once they get it, they will pay you through PayPal. Okay, Usertesting is one of the best website. They pay, like I said before, they pay you up to $60. And one other thing is, it would work most of the countries. Some of them not working in India, some of them don't work in Africa, but this site work everywhere. So you can go and check it out. Your country is in the list. If you do, then register for it. Registration is completely free. I already have an account created, so I can log in and show you guys. It is easy to create. It don't take more time. It's less than 2 minutes. You can create an account. All right, it says it's the signing page. All right, this is my dashboard. Right now I don't have any test at all. So if I go to my complete test section, I completed one and they paid me a $10 already. But remember this happened on January 2019. So you can think me why I'm recommending this website. The reason is I can't show you my second account, but this is my first account. There's one mistake I made in this account. They didn't recommend more job, because the one reason is I don't talk that properly, because the longer the test, they record from the start to end. So they will need to understand what you are saying about it. They can't understand me properly. They give me 4-star, but they don't recommend any test at all. So that's why I keep saying, guys, please speak properly and speak clearly. Even though you can't speak that properly, speak clearly so they can understand it. That's only you have to do, and give your honest opinion. So when you try to do Usertesting, you need to download a certain software. They will guide you toward it. when you download it, that will record your testing. They're like a Skype, but they will record and send it to the user's testing. You don't have to do anything. So when you come to the dashboard, if the test is available, click take a test, and it will take to your app on your laptop or your mobile phone. So it will work on PC, Mac, Android, on Apple, all the device, all smart devices, and the computer. It will work everywhere. So that's fine, guys. So second website is called Trymyui. It's similar to Usertesting. So when you go to Trymyui, it will open this page. Don't worry, this page does not for you. It's for the marketers. So you have to come to this section called Get Paid to Test. It will take you to your sign-in page. Again, like the Usertesting, you have to go to the sign-in page, and you can see you will pay $10 for each test you take. And this text approximately 20 minutes long. In Usertesting, if they pay $60, is the test gonna last 1 hour. For $10 here, you need to spend 20 minutes. So go and sign in. I already have an account, so I can log in and show it to you guys. So this is the dashboard. The first test I did is a website review. The test was rejected. I got 3 stars. Again, I made the same mistake here. I didn't talk that properly. I did that the same day. So my microphone is not working or not, I don't know. But it's not. They didn't accept my test, so they rejected. I don't get paid, but this is the difference between this and the Usertesting. Even though I didn't meet the necessary requirement, but they paid me $10. But here they don't pay anything. But they asked me to redo the testing here. So if you click the redo again, I will show the software you had downloaded in Trymyui. If you come here, you need to download the zip file. Then you need to install in your computer. Each of the software require different software. You can't do it the same testing on Usertesting and Trymyui. So each of them require different software. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe and share and like. If you are subscribed and want to know more about this website testing website, I will make future videos about. I plan to make our 8 website reviews, so from starting to end, signing up and show you inside and out how the website is work and how much you can make. So if you want to know more about that, please subscribe and like my videos. Thanks guys for watching my video. See you in the next one.